Sara. Welcome back to my channel. So today I did this Christmas look. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. It's like, this screams Christmas, doesn't it? Like, what else? Ooh, I should have put highlight here. I'm an idiot. Oh well, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'll cover it up. And so what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, please stay and watch. I'm using the Liquid Catrice Camouflage Concealer, and with this one I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with it, as well as carve out my eyebrows. So I'm taking this palette. This is a palette from Shop Miss A. It's a magnetic palette. It's really beautiful, as you can see. The Coastal Scents eyeshadows that I recently bought, which I actually do like these very much. I will be obviously going into the green ones today. So I will be taking first this one that is called Olive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it on and then blend it. Yeah, I'm gonna take a packing brush. This is the Essence Smoky Eye Brush right here, and I'm just gonna go in with the color Pine Rust, which is this shade right here. So I'm just packing this on. Now that I packed it on, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with the brush I used first. Yeah. I'm taking my AOA E131 brush. This is a flat brush, and I use it to cut out my crease. I use this one in the Wet n Wild. Those two are my favorite. Okay, I was looking for my concealer. I had lost it. And then I usually tend to do a second layer of concealer just to make sure that green isn't really too much on the lid. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're gonna go into this green beautiful forest shade. It's called Balsam or Balsium. Beautiful. Okay, so I want to incorporate gold eyeliner as well as black eyeliner a bit right here in the crease area. Alright, so I just did a bit in the top portion, not too much, just a bit for when I, like, you know, move side to side, you see a bit of a reflection. So now I'm gonna go into, oh, I forgot to say, I'm using the NYX liquid crystal eyeliners, and now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not looking up, I'm sorry, I'm not looking up because I don't want to transfer anything. I'm gonna go ahead and use AOA Studio Wonder eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. This doesn't look half bad. Oh, this looks good. Yes. So this is my green eye. Look like one side, the other side. Oh my god, my acne is clearing up a bit, so I'm like so happy about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and we'll be right back to finish off the face. Okay guys, so I did my eyes. They're so cute. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. So starting off with that, I'm just gonna use my Mario spray and spray my face. Just, you know, giving me a bit of hydration with this. Clean, yeah, this one's Clean Beauty Blender. I'm just patting this in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put Olay moisturizing on my beauty blender. Just that much. And I'm just gonna spread it all over my face. I love this one. I am using the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. Just putting a bit on my blender. Putting on my problematic areas. Just gonna go ahead right into foundation. I will be mixing my LA Girls with my LA Girls Pro Coverage Foundation in Fair with my 24-hour wear Revlon Normal to Stay Combination Skin 110 and Ivory, because this one's too tan for me, this one's too white for me. A mix of these would be amazing. With the waterproof Catrice concealer, apply that under the eyes, on the nose, on the forehead a bit, and between the eyebrows, under the nose because I get really red there, and on the chin. And then with my small beauty sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Alright, so now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm using my LOL face powder. This is in the shade, oh and wait, it says 02 medium. And with my AOA Studio High Def Brush E103. Okay, so it's basically like this. It's really good for like setting under the eyes and in between the eyebrows. Go ahead and go straight into bronzer. Y'all should already know, if you don't know, my favorite bronzer is the Sun Kiss bronzer from LA Colors. So now we're gonna apply blush. Oh my god, I love blush. So there's this one, well, this new one or this old one. It's kind of like new, kind of old, because it's old as in it probably came out a long time ago, but I had it in my like makeup collection and I never used it. So it's called Prisma. I thought it was Prism, but it's Prisma. It's Prisma, and it's this blush, beautiful blush. It's like this corally pink shade. I actually got it from Shop Miss A. Oh, this is in blush 02 Honey Pink. Oh, that's a cute name, Honey Pink. This is the one. This is my blush brush, and so I just tap in it, take off the excess, and swirl. Okay, so I'm grabbing a bit of that, taking off the excess, applying it on the tip of my nose, because you know we gotta look like it's freezing up in here, you know, a bit of a cold. And then just a bit right here in the middle of the nose, not too much though, not too much, apply so much. Are you again? This one, can y'all even see this one with this one? Tap off the excess, and we're gonna be applying that right under the lash line. And this one is an 18 karat gold. I'm gonna be taking this gold and applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. This brush is so good. This is a Jaff. I say Jaff, but I'm not sure how you say it. It's a Jaff makeup brush, and it's this really small brush that you can use for the inner corner. I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner. See, it's like perfect for the inner corner. Okay, so now that I did that, we're gonna go ahead and take the leftover and just bring it down a bit right here. Perfect. Alright, so now that we did that, oh, I almost forgot. I'm taking my LOL powder. I am taking that brush that we use for powder under the eyes, and we're just basically gonna go under the contour. Alright, when I'm done with that, I'm just taking my big powder brush and blending that. Okay guys, so I'm back. I decided I'm not gonna do double it. I'm not gonna double the eyelashes. I'm just gonna do like one layer of eyelashes. It's whatever. Since I'm already doing like all dramatic and stuff, I want my eyeshadow look to show, so I don't want to cover it up with lashes. So that's why I just decided I'm not gonna double them. I'm using my Giss strip lash adhesive, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lashes now. I'm also using my AOA Studio little thing on my bobbers to like basically grab the eyelash and apply it. So I will be doing that. Okay, I applied my eyelashes. So now while we're letting that dry, because I'm gonna let it dry and then put on mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and apply highlight. I'm gonna apply gold highlight just to match the gold theme that we have going on here. I usually use my Mary Luminizer, but today I want to actually use the highlighters I have, and I have palettes that are just for face where it has like blush and highlight, and I never use that, so I'm gonna use that. So this is from Profusion, and their face palettes, I don't really use much the eyeshadows, but their face palettes, like their contour and blushes, are so good, and especially their highlight. I use the blushes more because I really do love the blushes. It's just that I gravitate more towards things that are like single, I don't know, like in their own little package, you know what I mean? I don't like coming in here and getting this bulk of things and using it. So, oh, so cute. Look at all my lip liners. Like none. I need lip liners. Okay, so I decided I am using my Avon Wildberry T200 lip line. We're gonna go in with the color Jolt from Maybelline, and it is in Ready or Not. This little guy. How do I put lip liner and everything and still manage to freaking go outside the lines? I need to go back to freaking kindergarten, I swear. Okay, so I had a small mascara that I used specifically for my lashes, but I don't know where that is. My nephew was playing with it and now I can't find it. So I'm just gonna use my Princess Lash Mascara as always. I'm gonna try to be really gentle with this. I really like how my makeup look came out. Just look at that. Oh. If this doesn't scream Christmas, I don't know what does. But anyways, I hope you had fun and you liked my makeup look, and yeah, I hope you have a great day too. So if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, you know, let me know if you like this look. Also, my Instagram is SaraGVB_, so go follow me on there. I do on almost all the videos I do upload a photo and say link in bio a lot of the times. I usually do that for almost all my videos. But yeah, anyways, like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Oh, and Merry Christmas.